Hi, it's Cade Courtley, former Navy SEAL for 4 Patriots. Now it's National Preparedness Month, and today I'm going to cover tornado safety and where to take shelter in your home if you have to. 4 Patriots is dedicated to sharing both the knowledge and the gear that can bring you added safety and peace of mind. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and let us know if you like this video, because this right here could be a lifesaver. That's right, I'm talking about your bathtub. Can you really ride out and survive a tornado taking shelter in your tub? You can, and many people have. And while it's far from your best option, if it's all you got, it can be the difference between seeing the other side of one of the most destructive forces in nature or not. Now listen, the United States has the most tornadoes of any nation on the planet. It's the combination of location and landscape. Uninterrupted flat land makes it perfect for twisters to form. What should you do if you're faced with one? Take shelter immediately. The best place to shelter is underground. Obviously, if you have a storm shelter, you're well prepared. But if your home has a basement, it's like your top choice for escape. Now, some folks take the time to have concrete or steel safe rooms built into their homes on the ground floor. If built properly, they can provide almost as much protection as being underground. But if you don't have this option, then what do you do? Before storm season is even approaching, you need to gather your family and formulate a plan. Walk around your home and find room in the middle of the home away from outside walls. If the most centrally located room in your home is a ground floor bathroom, that can be an ideal spot. Now, if your bathrooms have exterior walls or windows, then you need to keep looking. Closets and laundry rooms are often tucked in the home's interior, and they may be better bets depending on how your home is laid out. But because the idea here is to put as many walls between you and any approaching tornado as possible, a bathtub can actually add another valuable layer of protection. The fiberglass sides can withstand a lot of abuse. Plus, a bathtub is heavy, so less likely to become airborne, especially with you in it. Now, if you have glass doors on your tub like I do, you will want to lift them off and move them to another room. The key is to shield yourself from debris, which can be coming at you from any direction in a swirling tornado. If you need to shelter in a bathtub, it makes sense to cover yourself with pillows, blankets, or if you have time, drag a mattress in as a makeshift roof. If you don't have time for that, and chances are you may not, then a bicycle helmet is also a good idea if you have one. Because while the winds in a tornado are bad, flying debris is as bad or even worse. Look folks, when preparing for a tornado, you need to forget what you've seen in the movies. You can't expect to outrun a storm like this. You need to find a spot to shelter in place if necessary. And the time to plan is well before the storm approaches. Obviously, riding out a tornado in a bathtub is far from a foolproof plan. Now this tub isn't so heavy that it'll stay put no matter what. But if your bathroom is windowless and in your home's interior, it could very well be the safest place to ride it out to make you a survivor, not a statistic. You know, frankly, I'm more of a shower guy than somebody who lounges around in a tub, but it's nice to know that this can do double duty if I need a shelter in a hurry. All right, subscribe and watch more of these videos. Stay safe out there, folks.